they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Without giving a warning, I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out.
Hey guys, thank you for making it to the end of the video. Uni is about to start for me by the time this video is off, so I won't have too many times to make more vids, but I will try to make one of these template videos every Friday, so that should help revive my channel a bit. Tell me if you do enjoy these or not. Based on my last butterfly knife video, I think we'll go with about 100 likes for any of these template videos, and I'll make a tutorial for them. This one's the shadow dagger. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I most likely won't be needing to go through it, but basically from the template I made, as you can see, the top and bottom is obviously for 2 shadow daggers instead of just 1 shadow dagger, and you basically just want to fold the paper horizontally, and I'd say about maybe 2 layers or 4 or 3 layers, maybe 1 layer as well. But yeah, this one should be pretty easy. If you have any questions, so feel free to come to my Discord and ask me. I'll try my best to help you guys out if I have the time. Basically, if you want more of these type of videos, so comment down below on what you want next. If you don't, I'll just be going through my own order with about the 20 CSGO knives that CSGO currently has. And yeah, like if you want a tutorial for this, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.